Hey healthy friends, my name is Leo the Personal Trainer. Thanks so much for joining me for another personal training session. This will be our second one. Thank you so much for the 100+ views for our last session. I appreciate your support and feedback. I hope each and every one of you are following along and are staying fit with me while this pandemic is still going on. If you haven't done the first workout yet, please click below to go back and come here afterwards. If you like what we do here, please consider making an appointment with me in Tarzana, California if you're nearby for a free session. We're going to continue our exercises without any equipment today. We will work on the arms, abs, legs, and if you're injured or can't handle any of these workouts, please click the link below. Or if you want training sessions without any instructions, also click the link below. The first workout today is called the twists. We're going to inhale. Then exhale as you twist your torso and extend that arm. Inhale again and put this arm back on your hip. And exhale as you twist the other way. Inhale again, once again, arm back on your hip. This is important because you want to have control doing this exercise and really every exercise that you do. You never ever want to swing as this may cause injury. You want to maintain that control and really feel that muscle contract every time you work out. Let me show you the correct way a bit more. All right, 15 twists. Ready? Deep breath in. And 15, 14, keep it going, 13, 12, 11, 10, really engage that core at the end of your twists. 9, 8, 7. Make sure your hands are coming right back on those hips. 6, 5. Remember not to just swing and keep that control. 4, 3, 2 more, 1. Amazing job, guys. All right, next we're going to do arm circles while in the open half squat position. So your stance should be like this. Spread your feet just past your shoulders and move your toes facing away from each other. Bend your knees enough where you feel your quadricep muscles firing up. If you want to make this harder, go a bit lower. If you want to make it easier, go a bit higher. As long as you feel those quads fire, you're doing fine. Stay in that position, raise your arms out, and face your palms up. And just do circles. I'm going to count to 15, and we're going to switch to the other way. After 15 of those, we're going to put our hands in front of us, keep doing the circles. After I count 15, the other way, and then on top of our head, 15, and the other one. The most important thing here is not to forget to breathe. Many people will just start to hold their breath. If you notice that you're doing it, just take that deep breath and exhale as you go. All right, are we ready? Okay guys, 15 half squat arm circles. Let's get into position, down. Ready? And 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other way. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In front of you. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel those quads firing. Other way. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up above your head. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Almost there. Other way. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic, guys. Whew. That was a real tough one. Did you remember to breathe? Don't worry if you haven't. Breathing is the hardest thing and one of the last things you'll learn to do correctly when working out. Trust that your body will adjust in time. Okay, our next workout will be side lunges. Put your legs together, back straight, shoulders a bit back, and knees slightly bent. Take a nice big step to the side and bend your knee. Your toe will automatically point to where it should go. Make sure you're not taking a step that's too small or too big either. The best way to gauge is to stick your arm out and step the length of your arm. Once again. We're going to do this 15 on one side and then 15 on the other. Watch me do it a couple of times. All right, 15 side lunges. Get into position, deep breath, and 15, 14, keep it going, 13, 12, 11, 10, make sure you're sidestepping at an arm distance, 9, 8, 7, 6 more. Give that knee a nice bend. 5, 4, 3. Awesome job, guys. 2, and 1. Good. Other side. Deep breath in. And 15, 14. Keep it going. 13, 12, 11, 10 to go, 9, 8, this is working the inside of your quads, which consists of the muscle group called the adductors, 6, 5, 4, 3 more, 2, and 1. Awesome job. All right, I'm very proud of all of you for making it this far with me. Go ahead and take some time to drink some water while I give you a fitness fact. I've already told you about the breathing being the hardest thing to get used to. So for my fact number 2, I'm going to ask a question. Do you know where most of your fat goes when you lose it? Does it just melt off? Does it get converted to muscle, maybe energy, or something else? Let me give you a hint. It has to do with give up. Most of your fat goes away through carbon dioxide. That's right, you just breathe out the fat. This is why working out is really important while losing weight, because it gets you to breathe heavier. Please comment to let me know if you already knew the fact. So, do we have enough time to catch our breath? Are we ready to breathe heavy again? Let's do it. All right, 20 twists. Ready? Deep breath in. And 20. 19. Keep it going. 18. 17. 16. 15 more. 14. 13. Remember, keep that control. No swinging. 12. 11. You're doing such an amazing job, guys. 10 more. 9. 8 left. 7. Really engage that core. 6 to go. Only 5 more. 4. 3. 2 to go. And 1. You did such an amazing job, guys. All right, 20 half squat arm circles. Get into position. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Make sure your elbows aren't fully locked. The other way. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember to continue breathing. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're doing fantastic. Other way. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Above your head. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue to feel those quads firing. And another way. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic, guys. 20 side lunges. Ready? Deep breath in. And 20. 19. Keep it going. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. Remember to give that knee a nice bend. 13. 12. Awesome job. 11. 10 more. 9. 8. Get those adductors nice and worked out. 7. 6. 5. Just 4 left. 3. 2, and 1. Other side. Deep breath in. And 20. Keep it going. 19. 18 more. 17. 16 to go. 15 left. 14. 13. Keep it going. 12 more. Awesome, awesome. 11. 10. 9. 8 left. 7. Just 6 to go. 5. 4 more. 3. 2. And 1. Awesome job, guys. All right, guys. This completes our second workout. You guys did an amazing job. Let's shake everything out again. And do a nice star stretch. Thanks again for working out with me. If you like what we did today, or if you have any preference on what we should do next time, please let me know. I'm located in Tarzana, California. Please make an appointment to get a free personal training session with me. Information is down below. Stay safe, healthy, and I can't wait to work out with you again soon. Have a good one.